Alright, just got here to Brazil, Rio, driving up north to the jungle. Stopped at a Shell here for a quick toothbrush session because flew all day, all night. Yeah, stoked to get here. It's about 25 degrees, humid as hell. We're right on the ocean. Already yelled at for mask. Gotta wear a mask around Rio. But yeah, stoked. Can't wait to start jumping. We got about, I don't know, 6-hour drive into the jungle. And then we're gonna probably spend a few days there. And then head back to Rio for some more jumps. This is kind of what the plan is. But yeah, we'll see. We're in solo. Just taking a break for like a 7-hour drive. Abandoned gas station for the win. Oh, this drive is not going good. I am tired. Woo. Can't stay awake. Pull over on the side of the road here. Almost there. Going north of Rio. It's a 7-hour drive. It's only about 450 kilometers, but a lot of like slow sections through towns, over speed bumps, and a lot of slow sections. We're getting there. Tired. Slept like 3 hours last night. 19 or 20 hours of airplane travel, plus the 7-hour drive. And apparently we're doing 3 jumps tomorrow. So throw it into the deep end, should be good. Where are we going? We're going Castello. Jump there for a few days and then head down to Rio. Getting the first taste of some mountain life. Seeing some rock. That one's not very steep, but good to see some mountains. I've been going through a lot of land that's very similar to foothills, very similar to home. Just different trees, but the way the grass hills are, the size of the hills, cattle grazing, very much reminds me of home in a way. Except it's not minus fucking 40. Going down through the jungle.
Sorzy, last one, let's go.
Sorzy. Some beach flights later, yeah. Oh, bug on my neck. Hiking through the jungle, down to Sorzy for our first jump of the trip, or my first jump of the trip. Pretty sick shuttle ride up through the mountains. 4-minute hike, we're almost at the exit. Down through the jungle. Let's do this. packing area, sick swimming pool, just down the river. Made their own swimming pool.
Right.
Here's chairs. Dude, you look so red.
Dude, I'm burned, bro. Lobster Andy coming into action.
That's you. Going up to Felipe's personal place. Into the jungle. Crazy rocks here. Hey, I'm in Grand News too.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Look at that.
There you go.
Beauty. The barbecue started. Gotta get going. Hitching a ride up. Woo-hoo. Adios. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Sick line. All right, got a little bit of time here. As you can see, cloud behind me. We are on top of Cabrito, the motivation board. This is the exit. Here's the rope. I'll show it to you. Pretty sick little platform. You can go right, you can go left, track off it. And yeah, it is Thursday today, the 19th or 20th. I think the 20th. Tomorrow's gonna be the last day here, and then head to Rio after a couple jumps. The jungle's been pretty sick. We're just outside of Castello. Jungle's been sick. Crazy jumps here, easy access.
And we're taking shuttle trucks up, walking like 20 minutes. Pretty much cheating, but it's hot out here, so I'm gonna take it. Yeah, next stop Rio. Maybe open a jump. We'll see. Hit the classic jump, land on the beach, relax a little bit, get things sorted as far as PCR tests or whatever the hell have to do to get back in our own country. And then back to snow bikes. Little check-in here from Brazil. Stoked. Straight down to there. Rappel down, but without rappel. Just hand over hand down there, and you can't see it, but there's a big ass drop there, over 1,000 feet for sure. This is our little gear up area. Very small, but some nice rock here, a couple different shelves people can gear up at. And then there's another exit over there that the other guys are waiting at. All right, so here's the story. Just made it to Rio last night. Jumping Gavia this morning, which is down on the beach. Pretty stoked, but I'm by myself. So I got some beta on the jump. There's a gate. You're not supposed to hike this trail before 8 a.m. So the base jumpers, I think, have a bypass. It's, yeah, head into the jungle, eventually hit the trail. Is the beta I got. So we'll see. Kind of up through there. It's supposed to go up where the river / waterfall kind of is, and the gate's up there. So I think we're in the right spot. Now there's a few trails that go, but that's the one that's closest to the waterfall, so I'm gonna go with that one. Into this big rock right now. It's pretty cool. Part of the trail. That thing's huge, like 20 feet. I'm on bubbles, so it's hard to tell. Boom, zoom in. Beautiful. Risk falling, I guess. Scramble our way up here. Pretty cool. Oh, look at that view. First time I got that view. It's about 7:40. We like to get up on top by 8. Staying in a house down there. Oh, getting on top for the first time. Yes. Sick. So the lookout is that way. I think the base jump's that way. I'm told I'm supposed to get on top and go left, so we're gonna go left and try. There is a trail. Heading that way. Alright, so down that chain section and then up this rock section. Yep. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1. Base.
Yeah, Rio.
Hang gliders just coming in, landing on the beach. It's daily activities here in Rio. Full beach. Landing for the hang gliders. There's a paraglide landing on the beach. With the wingsuit. They're launching tandems. There's a paramotor school. It's just going off. Alright, here we are, finishing up the trip of Brazil. This place is amazing. One fun fact really caught me off guard. They speak Portuguese here. I thought it would be Spanish. So that threw me off right away. But amazing people. Everyone's friendly, wants you a part of what they're doing, or wants to welcome you with open arms. Everyone's just super nice. It's great. The weather couldn't have gotten better. Absolutely every single day I was here, it was sunshine. We had like one sick lightning show, but it didn't even rain where we were at. And yeah, did not get held up by weather once for a jump, but then like waiting in a cloud for a half hour. So pretty sick. Timed it perfect. Heading home tonight. Got to jump Rio, got to jump Castello, Cabrito. Lots of exits out here. There's, man, this place with some exploration, it could really go off. The jungle is tough to break trail through though. I think I'm gonna have to bring a machete back next time. Anyways, stoked for everyone that helped point me towards jumps and the hospitality here. I'm not gonna bore you with the boring COVID airplane back to Canada into the freezing cold snow stuff. So let's end things at a waterfall here in Brazil. We're just up to my Airbnb in Rio and just enjoying my last day here in Brazil. Got a little beach time, got a wingsuit flight, stoked. And thank you for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and see you next time. Where we're gonna be is probably the mountains of Canada. We're gonna, yeah, start throwing ourselves off stuff on snow bikes and snowmobiles. It's time to get filthy in the backcountry of BC. Stoked, and until next time, again, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Woo!